Car.
I drive my car to work every day. I drive my car to work every day.
House.
Our house is in the suburbs. Our house is in the suburbs.
Book.
I enjoy reading a good book before bedtime. I enjoy reading a good book before bedtime.
Dog.
My dog loves playing fetch in the park. My dog loves playing fetch in the park.
Cat.
The cat curled up by the fireplace to keep warm. The cat curled up by the fireplace to keep warm.
Table.
We gathered around the table for a family dinner. We gathered around the table for a family dinner.
Chair.
Please have a seat in the chair next to me. Please have a seat in the chair next to me.
Tree.
The children climbed the tall tree in the backyard. The children climbed the tall tree in the backyard.
Computer.
I use my computer to work from home. I use my computer to work from home.
Phone.
Please be quiet, I'm on the phone. Please be quiet, I'm on the phone.
School.
I walk to school every morning with my friends. I walk to school every morning with my friends.
Teacher.
Our teacher gives us homework every day. Our teacher gives us homework every day.
Student.
I'm a student studying biology at university. I'm a student studying biology at university.
Food.
We bought groceries to prepare food for the week. We bought groceries to prepare food for the week.
Water.
I drink a glass of water with every meal. I drink a glass of water with every meal.
Coffee.
I start my day with a cup of coffee. I start my day with a cup of coffee.
Music.
I enjoy listening to classical music while I work. I enjoy listening to classical music while I work.
Movie.
Let's watch a movie at the cinema tonight. Let's watch a movie at the cinema tonight.
Time.
Time flies when you're having fun. Time flies when you're having fun.
Money.
I need to withdraw some money from the bank. I need to withdraw some money from the bank.
Friend.
I invited my friend over for dinner tonight. I invited my friend over for dinner tonight.
Family.
Family is the most important thing in my life. Family is the most important thing in my life.
Job.
I have a job interview scheduled for tomorrow. I have a job interview scheduled for tomorrow.
City.
I love exploring new cities when I travel. I love exploring new cities when I travel.
Country.
My dream is to visit every country in the world. My dream is to visit every country in the world.
Problem.
We need to find a solution to this problem. We need to find a solution to this problem.
Idea.
Do you have any ideas for our project? Do you have any ideas for our project?
Love.
They say love conquers all. They say love conquers all.
Health.
It's important to take care of your health. It's important to take care of your health.
Dream.
I had a strange dream last night. I had a strange dream last night.
Home.
There's no place like home. There's no place like home.
Heart.
She wears her heart on her sleeve. She wears her heart on her sleeve.
Smile.
A smile can brighten anyone's day. A smile can brighten anyone's day.
Eye.
Your eyes are beautiful. Your eyes are beautiful.
Ear.
I listened to my favorite song with earphones on. I listened to my favorite song with earphones on.
Mouth.
Please close your mouth while chewing. Please close your mouth while chewing.
Nose.
I have a stuffy nose. I'm sick. I have a stuffy nose. I'm sick.
Hand.
She extended her hand for a handshake. She extended her hand for a handshake.
Foot.
He injured his foot while playing. He injured his foot while playing.
Would you like to learn English in an easy and fun way? Subscribe to our channel. There's a new video every Sunday.